Start here. Welcome to Group A. Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my viewers. My name is Riky Danieal bin Misman with metric number FB17030. I'm from Group A. My statement is Nur Salmiah binti Saliman with metric number FB19030. Today we will like to present regarding the project of BFF1123 dynamic for the task 5 with title Kinematic and Analysis of Rotary Machine. Okay. For the design and kinematic analysis of rotary machine, our objective is to design and apply kinematic and dynamic concept of rotary machine, to explain the concept of dynamic through calculation and simulation using appropriate software, and to work in a team solve questions regarding rotary machine using dynamic concept. As you can see from the slide, this is the band saw used in machining lab to cut the metal shaft. And at the left side you can see the machine in the real life, how it works. They are semi-automatic and automatic bandsaw machine. In order to achieve the objective, a demonstration is needed to show the mechanism of rotary machine and how it works by doing some manual calculation. Before that, we need to identify the maximum work done by a rotary machine using different number of size of pulley. After that, we can decide which is the most effective for various purposes of rotary machine, hence maintain their safety precaution of the machine. The entire dynamic concept can be learned by before needed to be applying to fulfill an entire requirement in doing the manual calculation. But for this video, we will like to explain how the simulation regarding with this bandsaw machine. Okay, as you can see, there are two pulleys that attach at the machine, with its driving pulley and driven pulley. The pulley will operate and move the bandsaw, and the bandsaw will cut the workpiece of the metal shaft. Okay. Okay. For our project, there are two design of the bandsaw machine, which is by using two pulley and by using three pulley design. For both design, we will using the different size of diameter to get how the vector analysis for the rotating spindle and max angular speed of bandsaw if pulley size with another diameter, and to get the graph and angular velocity against the diameter of pulley. We will get it from and the theory at the report. Okay, this is how is bandsaw with two pulley works. We're doing for the larger size diameter of pulley and smaller size of diameter of pulley. The bandsaw produces rotation motion to operate or to cut metal. The rotation of saw blade Biting occurs due to rotation of two discs with help of motor. In this project, we create to determine the effect of or different number and size of the pulley on the efficiency of the bandsaw system. Based on a manual calculation, we saw a slight difference due to the change of number and size of the pulley. This so can affect the efficiency of original function of the bandsaw itself. In this our project, we investigate the effect of the number and size of pulley on the function of the bandsaw. Into this system, um, uh, into the purpose of the system with the same angular velocity for the both for the both for the both pulley is 145 rpm. We can tell the difference from the both size is the larger pulley are driving the bandsaw slower than the speed for the smaller size of pulley. So the size of the pulley affect the speed of the force that will be exerted to move the bandsaw. So that's for the two pulley bandsaw. This is the simulation of GIMP software for the two pulley bandsaw. As you can see, we're doing two pulley and connecting with one rod. Alright, this is the graph for the two pulley mechanism for the position against time, velocity against time, and acceleration against time. As we can see, the velocity are either 2 or -2 with different turn. So this is the movement. And this is the for the bandsaw with 3 pulley. Okay, what is the difference for the 3 pulley and 2 pulley? The purpose of extra driven wheel in the 3D system is to calculate the work done when there is extra pulley. Based on the calculation and the simulation, the quantity and size will affect the disc wheel system that help to increase the efficiency of the function of horizontal bandsaw. So, with the help of extra driven pulley, it will give more tension to the pulley, to the bandsaw, and the bandsaw will more toughness and not vibrate. Then the force that will exerted on the shaft or the workpiece will be more efficiency to cut it. This is the simulation for the 3 pulley of bandsaw. We change the number of turn either 360 or 114 or 1147 to look the difference for the turn to determine the position against time graph, velocity against acceleration graph, and acceleration against time graph. The velocity is more than 6. Okay, here is the movement of the pulley, as we can see. As conclusion, a bandsaw or horizontal bandsaw especially is a mechanism that can be used to assist workers to cut some metal for purpose or project. It's crucial to reduce the cost of the manufacturing bandsaw machine in order to ensure the market price is affordable by any people. There are so um, in our research we learned that the quantity and the size of this pulley are more than enough to maintain the efficiency of the horizontal bandsaw function. A person or a worker may need to refer to mechanical properties of the substance before going some cutting using bandsaw to ensure that the blade is strong enough to use cut the material. Okay, that's all from our group presentation. Thank you for listening. Bye.